guys, just a quick short, my live class this morning had someone that was full of cold, so I gave her these 2 poses to do, which is great for colds, just generally lovely restorative poses. So if you have a bolster, bring the bolster onto your mat. I keep doing this, knocking over my sign. I don't think people really want to see you washing your bits, Cleo. So bolster, cushion right into the lower back there. Bring the bottom right up to, or bring the bolster into the back of your lower back, your bottom, and then lay yourself back. And straight away you'll feel the chest opening. Just bring your hands either side of you. And this just feels absolutely amazing. So good. It's opening up the chest, clearing the lungs. Take some beautiful big body breaths in here, stomach, ribs, chest, in through the nose, maybe out through the mouth. If you've got a cold and your nose is blocked, then obviously please breathe through your mouth. And this just feels absolutely amazing. It's a lovely restorative pose. You can have your feet bent up, you can have your feet together and dropped out in a bound angle, sorry. If you haven't got a bolster, do not worry. We can always improvise. So, pillows, cushions, whatever you have. Again, right up to the base of the back, lay back, maybe bring a cushion under the head so your head is elevated slightly, and then bring the arms out, and you can do exactly the same thing. It feels amazing. Hello Poppy. So the second pose I'm going to do is legs up the wall. So obviously you will need a wall. Hey, excuse me, come down. She needs a walk. That's really useful. Okay. So legs up the wall. So if you want a little pillow behind you, bring the bottom right up to the wall and skirting board. So you've got the support of the wall on your legs there. The whole of your back should be flat on the floor, including the shoulder blades. Again, bring the arms out to the side, palms facing up. Lovely big breaths, and this is such a beautiful pose. It's great for the circulation in the legs, varicose veins, energizing. If you're ever feeling sluggish during the day and you just want a little bit of a boost, this is a great pose for that as well. Really, really lovely pose, and again, great for colds. So enjoy those guys, and I hope you feel better.